Traveling to Rome? Here are 5 tips to keep in mind. Plan on taking your trip in the spring or fall. We went in October and the weather was perfect and way less crowded. Rome is a very walkable city. Stay somewhere in the center so you can walk to all the attractions. We stayed next to the Pantheon. Wear sturdy shoes. The cobblestone streets can be tricky to maneuver without proper footwear. Some museums will sell out, so be sure to buy tickets online in advance. Rome has over 900 churches filled with famous artwork, but there is a dress code that requires your knees and shoulders to be covered.